Hey there, so today in this video we are going to talk about my new plugin which is similar to the experience section from the LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn and we can add the experiences in our profile. So I tried to make same plugin where we can add our experience in form of block. So that is correct. I have created a block for that. So what you're gonna do is that search experience block plugin. So this is the plugin experience block. So it provides a WordPress block where you can add similar experience section as LinkedIn. So it will be look like this. So I have already installed the plugin. Now let's activate this. So plugin is activate now, and now I'm gonna add a new post. And all you need to do is search experience box. So in the experience box, when you click on this add experience, it will add a sample experience. So you need to click on this pencil icon and start adding your data. So I'm gonna add my data and then we'll get back to you. So here I have created the experience section. I have added only 2. Now let's see how it looks on the front side. So this is how it looks on the front side. So this is the simple block I have created. So yeah, it's free. You can download it from this WordPress site. I will provide the link in the description section. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, then provide suggestion in the GitHub repo, or you can open the issue over here as well. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.